Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of the video. I'm going to see what kind of connection this has. And it looks like it's going to be a USB-C connection there. There is the back of the remote. So if you remove the Crossfire receiver or module, you can put this and cover up the hole in the back. But we're not going to do that because that's the whole point of this buying this thing, is that you can finally have decent range. Maybe we'll see. I'm really hoping, because I'm tired of not having decent range on all the things that that I buy, purchase, or receive for review. So it'd be a nice thing if this actually had decent range. So we'll see that. We need a drone, of course, to connect to this that has Crossfire in it, and hopefully we'll get one of those soon.
Likey.